Do you want to start learning programming? You have came to the right place. In today's video, I am gonna to tell you, how could you start learning programming? Watch till end. Without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Programming is the process of designing, writing and testing source code to create computer software or applications. It involves using a programming language to give instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks or solve problems. In simple words, programming is like giving instructions to a computer so it can do what you want. It's similar to making a recipe for cooking. You write down the steps, code, for the computer to follow. It's like giving directions to someone who only understands a particular language. Different programming languages are like different languages that people speak, such as English, Spanish, or French. To select a programming language, you need to know what do you want from learning it. But if you are clueless and don't know what do you want to do by learning it, you can start by an easy programming language, like Python. Python is a versatile and easy to read programming language, used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. It's known for its simplicity and large community support. So now you know, what is programming, what is a programming language and how to start learning programming. In the next video I am gonna to tell you, which programming language you should learn, according to your needs and interest. If you like this video, don't forget to comment down and express your thoughts regarding this matter. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.